Hey guys, do you have another account to sign into and have no idea how to sign up from Krisp AI? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do so. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So first up, open up your favorite browser and search up for Krisp AI. Now click on the first link that pops up. That should redirect you to Krisp AI's official page. Now, once you're there, just simply click on Manage Account. And here you are provided with your meeting details and your activities. So to sign out, it's super easy. On the top left corner right here, we can see a username. So just click on it, and then here you can see the sign up button. Just left click on it, and here you go. Krisp has been signed out just as easy as that. So I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.